friends, welcome to part 4. If you haven't watched part 1, part 2, or part 3, then please go watch it. So here I have my badge, and I'm going to add the 100% organic seal on it, and I'm going to make the font white. So here we can see it, and I want to make it smaller. And after we've done that, we want to do this so we can group it. So now it's grouped. Now we're going to make it larger. Our text is becoming larger as well. We're going to move it all here. And I wonder why that is so light. Wonder what's happening. Can we not see it or something? Okay, there we go. So now we can see our 100% organic seal on our Shark Bite cereal. And that's what many parents are looking for when they buy their kids cereal. They don't want their kids eating artificial flavors and stuff. So that's why we want the students to maybe add this badge if they want or if they don't want to. And after we've added that, I'm going to go to Shapes. And you will see Slide Overlays, which we already went through. And you might see these little circles. So we're going to shrink that because we don't want so big. And we could add this as a little barcode. Because when people are going to buy our product, they want to look for a barcode when they buy it. So we're going to add this little barcode. You won't see it in the white, but just like this. A tiny barcode. If you're wondering which one I selected the circle one, but when you shrink it, it will look like a barcode eventually. Or you could even, where do we go? Shapes, right. You want to click these raindrops or any one of them, but just not this one. It would also work good as a barcode. Oh, oopsie, what's going on? Okay, I think just accidentally while talking, added some more, so I better close this. So it'll look like a barcode when we zoom it in. And we want to make it white because we have a dark background, but depends on what color your students make. That's how their barcode's going to look like. So this is what the front looks like. Appetizing, right? And now we're going to go make another side. And for this, we're going to go to Shapes where we are. And then we're going to click Basic Shapes. And then for that, we're going to select this rectangle. And delete the square, sorry. And for that square, I'm actually going to rotate it. I'm at rectangle. I'm going to rotate it like this. And I'm not going to change the width at all. So this is our nutrition facts that we find on the side of many, many cereal boxes. Just kidding. You might want to make it just a bit wider. Maybe like let's say that's the width. There we go. So that's the side of it, and that's where all our nutrition facts are displayed. So we want to make this page white. We might not see it, so we might want to turn our background color to black so we can see it much clearly. And then we can open a new tab and search nutrition facts. So nutrition facts. Nutrition facts table for cereal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch part 4. I meant part 5.